So, in this first slide, we're talking about a constructive force. The constructive force is the river going down into a waterfall, and then the rocks in the waterfall go down into a pool of water, and then over time the rocks build up and up in the water, which is a constructive force, the rocks building up. And then in the second slide, there's a close-up of it, and then you can see the water and the rocks, and then the pool, and then the rocks, and then over time, the pool of water is going to move over hundreds and hundreds of years. Those rocks will turn into sand or sediments. And then in the third, which is a deconstructive force. And then in the...
Wait, what's a deconstructive force?
The deconstructive force is the water moving back and forth, wearing down the rocks. That's
Gotcha.
the deconstructive force. And then in the third slide, let's say a couple men built a dam, and then the water dried up, but the pool of water, just a little bit of water is still there. And then it dries up over time, and over time, it's going to turn into sediments or mud, and then into sand. And
it's going to dry out and turn into sand.
Okay. It's going to dry out and turn into sand. And then in the fourth slide, you can see the wind, and then the water, or the sand. And then that wind blows the sand to, that wind blew out the dirt, the sand to our front doorstep. That's how the dirt on our front doorstep got there.
Started from waterfall, huh?
Yep.
Cool. Sure.